Hey guys, I just wanted to talk to you about the science and engineering practices and the cross-cutting concepts interactive notebooks that are on Schoology for you guys for Monday and Tuesday, especially for Tuesday when we're actually doing the lab. I kind of just want to walk you through what you're going to be doing. You will have the interactive notebook. It's like an assignment assigned to you, and what you're going to do, you should be able to type wherever it says type here. If I keep clicking through this, type what you think they mean here. And it's literally going to walk you through it, and it's going to tell you where you need to type and what questions you need to answer. It'll go through all the science and engineering practices, the same thing with the cross-cutting concept one. So it's super easy to use, and once you're done with one of them, you'll be able to submit that assignment to Schoology, and I will be able to look at it, and we'll be able to have some discussions on that. So I really just wanted to kind of give you a little information on that. So it's super easy to use, and you guys should be ready to go with this when we do it on Tuesday.